So they asked me, "Yo, Dilly, whose fault is it this time around?" I tried to tell him a lie. Bottom line, it was me. DMC. My mind was in a haze. I was legally insane, thrown off this planet's face. But I pulled that 40 cal from my waist, and I did the drugs that made me crazy. It was me, DMC, no one else, just me. I got myself in between those walls, and I'm the one who always causes myself to fall. Names are easy to call and blames are easy to place, but it's time I look the true felon in the face and swallow my shame, quit being afraid. It was me, it was my fault. I taught the talk, they strapped the shackles on, and I walked the walk. Guilty, DMC, not D-Lee or Jesse B or Gregory. It was me, that punk who stands 6 foot tall with the dolphins fitted on and the matching Nikes and tears running from his eyes only he can wipe. I chose to run those nights where there were no street lights, so I could commit the crime to get my pockets lined, so I could afford to support my endless need for a high. Why have I said why when I already knew? Forgive me for pointing my finger at you, but this is what I taught my mind to do, pathologically lie. These thieving and violent hands could fill a shelf writing books of scams. My life thus far isn't worth a damn. Time for me to take responsibility for who I am. Time to be a man. Out with the old, in with the new. And for the ones that I've troubled, and for the pain I have put you through, forgive me, please. I pray this song finds you.